Well, I was out for a ride yesterday on this Yamaha RX1. It's a 2005, and straight up hit a rock right on the belly here. Doesn't have much of a skid plate under here. This was plastic. The rock actually caught this. I think this is a part of a stand. When the whole motor is pulled out, they can sit on these little feet. Anyway, the feet pushed back, cracked the case there. I don't know if I can show you on the other side of this thing too. Cracked it there. So a temporary until I can get one. I'm just gonna try JP Weld it. Cleaning it off with some cleaning fluids. Now I'm just trying to get in here and sand it a bit so it can really grab to something. I've done this before on a cracked chain case, and it works surprisingly well. I was gonna remove this hose out of the way, but I thought it was from an oil pan, but it's not. It's actually full of coolant, and I don't want to lose all my coolant. Finish mixing this up. I'll start getting it on there. Well, that's not very pretty, but I think it should hold. I'll put a second coat on probably. I have a little heater going on under here now, and I'm just gonna cover the whole snowmobile with the moving blanket. Try and keep the heat in there a bit, so help with the curing process. Hopefully that helps create a little tent to keep a bit of heat in. There we go, that first layer is well dried. I'm just gonna add a little bit more since I have this crap and the time to do it. Second layer is on there. Still not pretty. Okay, so I drilled out a couple of the rivets and I beat the crap out of this thing trying to straighten it back out a bit. This aluminum kind of skid plate. And I'm probably gonna pop maybe 2 rivets back in place just to kind of hold that. And just to kind of get this plastic cover to fit a little better than when it was at bent before. Well, that is far from perfect, but it's better than it was. I was planning on doing an oil change, just not quite yet. I was going to do it through the summer. I wouldn't suggest you do an oil change this way. So 1 liter in the head, the motor, 2 liters going in the reserve. Okay, so I'm gonna start it up, let it warm up, build some oil pressure, and of course see if I have any leaks dripping underneath there. So I ran it yesterday. I left this cardboard underneath just to make sure no oil. Nope, we're all good. Yeah, no oil, just some water. So that should do it.